We should be happy, no, kung nasali kami because hindi pa kami patay, no? So buhay pa, head above water. So yun lang naman ang gusto mo, di ba? You just have to want to have a chance moving forward. So today wasn't that nice. Buti na lang nakakuha kami ng panalo. We missed a lot of free throws. 25, 9 free throws out of the 9. Ang nagbintis ng 7, yung inibitahan nyo dito. Before he came in sa room, we took free throws dun sa kabila. And that's something that our players need to understand really. Take everything seriously in practice. This is one emphasis point that we have in free throws namin. That's the only reason why we gave ourselves a chance against UST. We last played them because we only missed 1 free throw. Ngayon ang dami. Dapat mag-improve. Because UE played, no, aside from our free throws, UE really played really well today. They were very deliberate. They knew what they were doing. They are due for a win. Makikita rin natin yan.